Jakarta Employment Forum for the Blind 2025, Career Connect, Independent and Empowered. In conjunction with the celebration of the International Day of the Disabled, as well as to celebrate Mitra Netra achievement in accelerating the Foundation's employment programs for persons with visual impairment in the last 2 years, and with the support of Employment Project, Mitra Netra had conducted Jakarta Employment Forum for the Blind 2025, Career Connect, Independent and Empowered. This event was conducted on December 11, 2025 at the Tavia Heritage Hotel in Center Jakarta. Participated by 102 people, came from various stakeholders related with formal employment of persons with visual impairment, such as representatives of Minister of Employment, local government employment officers, company representatives that are expected to recruit employees with visual impairment, university students and university current graduates with visual impairment, employers having employee with visual impairment, parents having children with visual impairment who are students as well as job seekers, university representatives that have more students with visual impairment in Jakarta and its surrounding, human capital experts, and journalists. At the opening ceremony, remarks and keynote speeches were delivered by the key leaders related with formal employment of persons with visual impairment. Secretary of the Mitra Netra Foundation, Special Employment Director represented the Minister of Employment. The head of Jakarta Local Government Employment Office represented the Governor of Jakarta. Through their speeches, government representatives, both in national as well as provincial level, recognized Mitra Netra work and achievement in providing formal employment supporting mechanism for persons with visual impairment in Indonesia. At the opening ceremony of the Employment Forum, Mitra Netra also launched the Job Directory for the Blind, Mitra Netra Contribution for Indonesia, with the support of Employment Project 2025. The Job Directory will become one important tool in the development of disability inclusive employment in Indonesia.
Persembahan untuk Indonesia. Direktori Pekerjaan Tunanetra Indonesia dan panduan perekrutan karyawan penyandang tunanetra yang diterbitkan baik dalam versi cetak maupun versi elektronik.
2 talk show sessions were presented in the half-day employment forum. Relevant speakers were invited to be on the show, which were led by Yosa Nainggolan, an independent researcher worked for Employment Project Research in 2024. First session invited representative of Jakarta Local Government Employment Office as well as employers. For employers having employees with visual impairment, we had Imamatek, Mahanagari Nusantara, Grand Melia Hotel, and Pamulang University. These employers shared their experiences in working with visual impairment employees within their respective business sector, whereas government representatives shared their employment program for persons with disabilities. On the second session of the talk show, Mitra Netra invited other related stakeholders with employment of persons with visual impairment. Representative of parent that had child with visual impairment who was still studying on grade 12. 2 employees with visual impairment who were working in 2 different sectors, university lecturer and content writer. The head of Disability Student Service Center of Yogyakarta State Islamic University, job seeker with visual impairment, as well as employment program manager of the Mitra Netra Foundation. Each stakeholder was requested to share the experience or role in the employment of persons with visual impairment. The employment forum was closed by conclusion session. Presented by Dr. MNG Mani, Mitra Netra Employment Project Consultant, and Mitra Netra Employment Program Manager represented the foundation. In the conclusion session, Mitra Netra encouraged multi-stakeholder collaboration in the development of formal employment supporting mechanism for persons with visual impairment in Indonesia as part of the effort to develop disability inclusive employment system in the country.